Welcome to the new Lake Park. 1227 11th Street North, located in Lake Park, in the heart of Naples, is in close proximity to Laudermilk Park, Four Seasons, Naples Pier, 5th Avenue South, and 3rd Street South. Now that you have a better understanding of this amazing location, let's go look at this amazing build. As you enter the home from a custom glass 10-foot door, the quality of build from Blue Horizon Construction and the luxury finishes from R&Co Design immediately speak for themselves. All custom cabinetry from Eliza Design. A massive island perfect for entertaining, along with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. The kitchen naturally flows to the large and open great room. The great room seamlessly flows outdoors to the southern exposure pool and spa. Ample covered space for entertaining, cooking with friends and family with your outdoor kitchen. The spa is oriented closer to the master bedroom for easy access. As you enter the master, you immediately notice the large master bathroom. Before we leave, let's not forget about the 3-car garage built above flood requirements. If you like this home and like these finishes, I promise you it's even better in person. Reach out to us today to set up a showing.